Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd, and I'd like to show you in this video how to install Greyd.Suite and show you how to get around in our backend. And yeah, to start with, we will need the Greyd plugin, which you can get, for example, here from our website, and can then upload it in the WordPress backend under plugins. And as soon as you activate the plugin, the installation process will automatically start and guide you through all the steps. At first, it's about the tools you want to use. Greyd.Suite consists of several tools. There's the Greyd Blocks plugin, which is necessary since it brings all the enhancements and additions we've made to the native block editor of WordPress. Then there's the Greyd theme, which is a full-site editing theme with a lot of additional global styles among others, and also lots of ready-to-use patterns and templates. You don't have to use our theme. You can also work with any other block theme from WordPress. And then there's the GREYD.Forms plugin, which is our form generator and which is also optional. Next, you can select to a little bit more detail which features of Greyd.Suite you want to use. You can start with the default setup that comes with all that's normally necessary to create websites and to manage websites. You can activate all our features, or you can start with the absolute minimum, that's only the Blocks plugin and the Greyd.Hub management platform. No matter what you decide here, you will be able to activate and disable any feature also in the backend later. I'll now go for the default setup, and that's already it. You can now view your website. You can go to our help center, where you will find tutorial videos and how-to articles on all our features. You can edit your site, create a child theme, etc., etc. And you can also access the license page, where you can enter your Greyd.Suite license key. You don't have to do that right now, since you can build your website and use almost all our features also without a license. As soon as you want to publish your website without our watermark, or if you want to use one of our advanced features, then just enter your license key here and activate it for this domain. You will then also be able to see when the license was created, how long it is still valid, on which websites it's currently used, and how many websites you still have within your license. And you can also access this page anytime later via the Greyd.Suite dashboard, which we will have a look at in a second, or also here in the menu. For security reasons, you will then need to enter your license key again, since it will be grayed out. So now let's have a look at the Greyd.Suite dashboard. Here you will find all you need to know, and also all the links you need to work with Greyd.Suite. Here in the top you have an overview of all the features you have currently in use, and can directly go to the Greyd.Hub to edit your dynamic templates or post types, pop-ups, forms, or for example also directly go to the core global styles or the Greyd global styles, the template editor, etc. Further down you will find an overview of big Greyd.Suite features that you are currently not yet using, so you can go to the website and learn more about this feature or activate it. And down more you will have another link to a feature page. Here you will be able to enable or disable even more detailed which features you want to use on your website. And here it's not only about Greyd.Suite features, but also about smaller settings, for example SMTP settings for the form generator or SEO settings. Other than that, you will also again find a link here to manage your license and to some general settings, which are more or less page speed settings or activating the comments feature, stuff like that. Also, you will find a download link where you can always access the latest version of the Greyd plugin. For example, if you want to use it on a different website without having to download it each time from our website. You also will find the links to our Help Center and FAQ section on our website. In the Help Center, you will find tutorial videos and useful how-to articles to all our features. And this is also very interesting. You can get a system status info and can copy that, which includes info on which versions you use, on what kind of setup you're using. And these information are extremely helpful if you need to contact our support. Please send them these information along with your ticket. And also here's the changelog. Other than that, since Greyd.Suite is integrated natively in WordPress, the rest of the backend looks more or less exactly the same as you know it from WordPress. So you have your posts, your media, pages, templates, forms, etc. You have some custom post types, and under appearance you can access the site editor where you can edit your global styles, templates, and patterns. For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.